Adding a quantity option on Shopify allows customers to purchase multiple quantities of the same product in a single transaction. To add this feature, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. Select the product for which you want to add the quantity option and click on the Edit button. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Pricing section and click on the Add Variant button if you have not already done so. Even if your product has no variants, you still need to set up a variant to enable the quantity option. In the Variants section, you will see a checkbox that says Track Quantity. Ensure this is checked. Next, navigate to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Then click on Actions and Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the product liquid file. This is usually named product.liquid. In this file, you need to add a line of code to enable the quantity box. The code will look something like this. Input type number name quantity value 1 min 1. You can add this code below the Add to Cart button. After adding the code, click Save and the quantity option should now be visible on your product page. To test, navigate to your store and select the product you just edited. You should now see a quantity box where customers can enter the quantity they want to purchase. Best practice is to test the quantity option on different products and variants to ensure it is working as expected. Also, ensure that the Track Quantity checkbox is enabled for all products that require the quantity option. By following these steps, you can easily add a quantity option on your Shopify store, providing a better shopping experience for your customers and increasing average order value. This feature is essential for stores that sell products in bulk or have customers who want to purchase multiple quantities of the same product.